In this video, we're focusing on training needs analysis, often called a TNA. A TNA is a structured way to identify where training is truly needed by looking at gaps between current skills and the skills required for success. Rather than offering training based on assumptions, a TNA helps organizations make intentional, data-informed decisions that align learning efforts with real organizational needs. A strong training needs analysis begins with clarity around core competencies. This means understanding what employees need to know and be able to do in order to succeed. Questions like, what tasks are required in this role? And what knowledge, skills, and abilities are essential, help define expectations and set the foundation for identifying meaningful gaps. Once expectations are clear, the next step is identifying gaps. These gaps may exist between what employees currently know and what their roles, or the organization, require. A TNA helps surface these differences so training can be targeted, relevant, and effective rather than broad or unnecessary. Training needs. Analyses can be conducted at different levels depending on the goal. Sometimes the focus is broad and organization-wide. Other times, it's more targeted at the department or individual level. Choosing the right scope ensures training efforts are appropriately scaled and aligned with actual needs. An organization-wide TNA looks at how systems, processes, and skills function across the entire organization. This type of analysis may reveal gaps related to new tools, products, or initiatives that affect many employees. Addressing these gaps through targeted training helps improve consistency, quality, and overall effectiveness. Department-level TNAs focus on the unique needs of a specific team. These analyses may identify the need for refresher training, additional staffing, or skill development tied to seasonal demands or specialized tasks. This approach allows HR and leaders to support teams more precisely and proactively. At the individual level, a TNA examines an employee's specific skills and experience. This is especially helpful when employees come from different backgrounds or are new to a role. Individual TNAs ensure training is personalized. Employees receive support where it's needed, while avoiding unnecessary training where skills already exist. An organizational analysis examines how the organization functions as a whole. It looks at systems such as workforce planning, product quality, and organizational culture. This type of analysis often involves measuring outcomes and identifying variables that influence performance, helping leaders understand where training can make the greatest impact. An individual analysis focuses on employee performance at the role level. The goal is to identify who needs additional skills or support, and just as importantly, who does not. Tailoring training in this way respects employees' time, increases engagement, and ensures resources are used efficiently. Training needs analysis is a powerful tool because it ensures training is purposeful and aligned with real needs. When employees receive relevant, timely training, they become more confident and efficient in their work. At every level, individual, team, or organization, TNA supports stronger performance and smarter investment in development. A well-executed training needs analysis helps organizations identify true skill gaps and respond with targeted solutions. By matching training to actual needs and choosing the appropriate level of analysis, HR teams can support employee growth, improve performance, and ensure learning efforts deliver meaningful results.